Hello, I'm going to show you how to add the add-on to Google, so whenever you're using Google Meet, like in a Hangout, you can see more than just four tiles or four people's screens at a time. So you follow the link, which I provided you in Google Classroom, which will take you here. You just click Add to Chrome, and then when the pop-up comes up, click Add Extension, and it's there. So you have to do this before you're in a Google Hangout. So if you're already in a Hangout, you'll have to exit and then rejoin after you do this. So I'm going to rejoin one now that I've got going with my couple people in my household, just because they're here for me to use this with. I'm going to join now. There's me. And there are my two family members. My husband looks bored. My son is there. There we go. Okay, so after you've installed the grid add-on, you'll see this little task pane up in your top right corner whenever you get onto a Google Hangout. When you hover over it, you can do a check mark to include yourself in the grid. So there we go. So now we can see all three of us, which that's really not very good picture, but that's okay. Anyway, so that way you can see, and it's hard when we have such a small group, but you should be able to see, like, if you want to see more than just four people in your class or your teacher and three other classmates or whatever, you can use Google Hangouts. Use a grid for your Google Hangout to do that. You just have to make sure you install it before you actually join a Hangout. So that's all.